Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to see how much is left on your Midjourney subscription. First of all, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the servers you own right now. Here, go to your Midjourney bot or to any newbie channel in Midjourney. Then type /info and then press enter. And as you can see, Midjourney bot will generate for you this info. So your subscription, which is none in my case, visible mode, public mode, fast time remaining. And there you can see lifetime usage 14 images. So as you can see, this is how you know how many images are left in Midjourney's subscription. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.